how to top up the pressure on a Viessmann Vitodens 050 Combi boiler. So if your boiler is at zero pressure, I'm going to show you how to top up the pressure on your Viessmann Vitodens 050 Combi boiler. I'm also going to show you how to reset the boiler if it goes into the reset on here. So I'll show you how to reset it as well. So on some of the Viessmann boilers, they have a built-in filling loop under here, but on the 050 it doesn't have a built-in filling loop. So what you need to do, you need to find a braided hose like this, and then you'll have a filling loop like this one, and then all you need to do to put the pressure in, slowly, well, open one of them fully, and then as you open one of them fully, have a look for the other side, and slowly, and as I say, when you open this one, just do it slowly. And what you're looking for, you want to top this pressure back up on the front of the boiler, and you want it to go up to 1 bar on the front. And as I say, I'll show you how to reset it as well then. So slowly, we're letting water in now. So I've got as mains water going into here. It's going into the filling loop, and it's going down, and it's going into the central heating. And as it goes into the central heating, it tops the pressure up. Once it gets to 1 bar, you then need to close them back off. If you've got a continuous problem with this going down, pressure going down all the time, then that would indicate you've got an issue with the system. So obviously then you need to trace and find out what the issue is. I'll just show you how to reset the boiler now as well. We've just started this up again now, so we've got an F4 fault, so it needs to reset. So to reset this, all you need to do, if you press mode and you press OK at the same time, you'll get 3 lines on there and it'll reset. So that's how you top the pressure up on your Viessmann Vitodens 050. If you've got any questions, please ask in the comments below. And thanks for watching. What do you think, Jamie?